Hey, man, y'all know what's going on, man. It's your boy, King Hussle, man. What's today? Let y'all check the date. It's Tuesday, February 21st, man. Y'all see where we at. We making plays, man. 6,000. Real quick. Did this 2 times today, man. Tap in, man. When I be posting these, make sure y'all get y'all lessons, man. Make sure y'all got y'all payments ready. Basic lessons is $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. And limited gyms is $2,000. All FaceTime 101s. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour in person at limited gyms. $3,500 you come in state to me. $4,500 I gotta come out of state to you. $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person, man. Make sure y'all getting these gyms. Make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all got y'all payment ready, man. Let's win. It's your boy King Hussle. Real King Hussle. Let's tap in. Tap in.